In this video, I'm going to talk about how to manage a small law firm. When it comes to managing a small law firm, the first thing that I can share is follow the law firm growth formula. If you want to know more about the law firm growth formula, stay tuned in this channel. We talk about it all the time. The law firm growth formula is the framework that I created after working with hundreds of clients to help them step through the process of law firm growth in a proper sequence and order. Following the framework, we begin with a plan. And that's where I want you to start when approaching management of your law firm. At the base of the law firm growth formula are 3 circles in a Venn diagram: plan, grow, scale. When it comes to managing your law firm, we want to start with a plan. Once we have that plan, we want to make sure that we go through the sequence properly. In other words, we want to make sure that we're doing the grow things when we're in the grow stage, and we're doing the scale things when we're in the scale stage. Another key to managing a small law firm is to find every excuse possible to hire more people. Whenever you're approached with something that you need to do, I want you to start asking the question of who can do this instead of how do I do this? When you get in the habit of doing that and you start delegating practically everything, that is when you're going to have a well-run law firm. Piggybacking off of hiring more people is making them more efficient. Everything in your law firm should be systemized to the point where you can now take that and move it from somebody who's more expensive to somebody who's less expensive. Always look for ways to move work down to lower expensive employees. That is the key to moving an attorney from a $400,000 producer to a $1 million plus producer. Of course, in managing a law firm, there is so much to cover. It's impossible to cover it all on this video. So make sure that you hit subscribe to this channel so that you get notified when we release more information on how to manage a small law firm. There's something that people don't talk about a lot, but that is business is not taught in law school. And when you start your law firm, you need to become a student of business. You need to put yourself through your own business school. And that means finding mentors and coaches who are going to support you along the way. Regardless of who it is, find a coaching program that you connect with. Join it, because not only is the coach going to help you, but the people in that program are going to become your supporters and your best advocates in the growth and management of your law firm. The last key to managing your law firm is to keep a handle on the cash. Pay attention to your cash flow, understand your numbers, and make sure that you have a system in place to managing your cash. We talk about this at length here in this channel as well. I have a lot of videos on cash and profitability, and I invite you to go through and watch those in the management of your law firm. If you want further support in managing your law firm, we do a number of workshops throughout the year. Those workshops are both in person and virtual and cover topics ranging from profitability, management styles, sales, you name it. If you want more information about an upcoming event that we're hosting, go to profitwithlaw.com and click on the events tab.